Ever dreamed of owning a legend without selling your soul? Today, we're hunting for Shelby Cobras that actually fit your budget. From a $32,000 mystery to a 525 horsepower monster, we're hitting the streets of New York and beyond. Is that cheap Cobra a steal or a trap? Let's find out. Car number 1. $1965 Shelby Cobra replica, Wurtsboro, New York, $32,000. All right, guys, let's start with a head-turner in Wurtsboro. This 1965 Silver Cobra is listed at just $32,000. Now, let's be real. At this price, we're looking at a budget-friendly way to get that iconic look. It's got an automatic transmission, which is pretty rare for these, making it a chill cruiser for the weekend. With only 1,600 miles and a clean history under 2 owners, it's basically a fresh canvas. The seller is playing it close to the vest, though, telling people to call for details. If you want the Cobra vibe without the workout of a heavy clutch, this might be your entry ticket. Car number 2. $1965 Backdraft Shelby Cobra, 427 CI, Garden City, New York, $98,000. Now, if you want serious heat, check out this Blue Beauty in Garden City. This isn't just a car, it's a weapon. We're talking a backdraft build with a 427 fuel-injected V8 pushing 525 horses to the rear wheels. It's got a Tremec 5-speed, race suspension, and Willwood brakes that'll stop you on a dime. The seller clearly babied this one. It's got PPF, paint protection film, everywhere, and even heated seats for those chilly morning drives. At $98K, it's not cheap, but considering it's valued at $125K, you're getting a lot of pro-level engineering here. This is for the guy who wants to win every stoplight battle. Car number 3. $1967 Shell Valley Shelby Cobra, Goffstown, New Hampshire, $39,500. Next up, we're heading to New Hampshire for some old school flavor. This 1967 Shell Valley kit was built back in the 80s, so it's got that authentic 45-year-old patina. Under the hood is a rebuilt Ford 429 with a mild cam and a 4-speed manual. It's raw, it's loud, and it's got that classic 9-inch rear end. With under 10K miles, it just got new tires and a battery. It's a bit of a time capsule. Not as techy as the modern builds, but if you love that 80s garage-built soul, this red-on-gray beast is a solid choice for under 40K. Car number 4. 1965 Shelby American Ink Cobra, East Islip, New York, $48,000. Over in East Islip, we've got a 1965 kit that's described as absolutely like new. It's running a 351 engine and a 5-speed Tremec. Interesting story here. The previous owner was an older gentleman who found the clutch too heavy, so he swapped in a softer one just to enjoy it more before trading it for a Corvette. It's got new dual fans to keep that engine cool and looks meticulously built. It's listed at $48K, and honestly, it looks like a turnkey car that needs zero work. Just hop in and drive. Car number 5, 1966 Shelby Replica Cobra Replica, Akron, Ohio, $51,874. Lastly for this round, we're in Ohio looking at a red 1966 replica that's all about the thrills, not the frills. This one has a 427 stroker small block and a 5-speed manual. The seller's description is classic American honesty. No AC, no roof, no windows, and definitely no power steering. He asks, are you a driver or do you belong in the passenger seat? I love that attitude. It's only got 600 miles on it, so it's barely broken in. If you want a raw, visceral experience that'll make your heart race, this is the riot you're looking for.
Car number 6. (1965) Ford Mustang, Attleboro, Massachusetts, $12,345. Moving on to some classic ponies, we've got a '65 Mustang over in Attleboro that's a bit of a sleeping giant. The price tag is a placeholder at $12,345, but look at what's under the skin. A 347-stroked 302, aluminum heads, and a TKO 5-speed Tremec. It's even got a Heights suspension and a rack and pinion setup. Here's the catch. It's a restoration that sat for years. It runs and drives, but it's going to need some TLC to be road ready again. With that original pony interior still in good shape, this is a killer performance build waiting for someone to finish the job. Car number 7, 1968 Ford Mustang, Syracuse, New York, $14,900. Heading to Syracuse, we find a clean '68 red Mustang. This one is powered by a 289 V8 paired with an automatic, making it a perfect weekend cruiser. The seller has already done some of the heavy lifting, adding sound deadening under a new rug and a larger intake for a 4-barrel carb. It's got 30,000 miles on the clock and looks like a solid, honest car with a clean title. If you're looking for a classic Mustang that's simple, iconic, and ready for the local car meet, this is a strong contender for under 15 grand. Car number 8, 1969 Ford Mustang Convertible, Peekskill, New York, $17,500. Now, who doesn't love a drop top? In Peekskill, we've got a 1969 black-on-black convertible. It's running the 302 V8 and comes with the features you actually want: power top and power steering. It's got a list of new parts, like a carb, fuel pump, brakes, and a fresh dual exhaust. The seller says it runs excellent. No oil leaks, no smoke. At $17,500, it's a fair price for a turnkey convertible. They even mention the price is negotiable in person, so grab your cash and go take a look. Car number 9, 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe, 289 V8, Ramsey, New Jersey, $10,000. All right, Project Hunters, this one's for you. Ramsey, New Jersey has a green-on-green '67 coupe for a flat $10,000. It's a C-Code 289, manual 3-speed. Now, listen closely. It runs, it drives, but it only has one working brake drum. The seller is very honest. This is a project, not a car you're driving home. It's been in dry storage for years and is remarkably original with a solid floor. It needs valve stem seals and brake work, but it comes with a Marty report to prove its history. If you want a blank canvas with good bones, this is it. Car number 10. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, Marlboro, New Jersey, $10,500. Last but not least, we're in Marlboro for another 65 Coupe. This one has a rebuilt 289 high-performance engine with stainless steel valves and a 4-barrel carb, with less than 2,500 miles since the rebuild. It's got a newer transmission and Shelby cast iron headers. The body is rust-free, and the floorboards have already been replaced. It's not a trailer queen. The body isn't perfect, and there's a small hole in the headliner. But for $10,500, you're getting a solid, high-performance Mustang that's ready to be driven and improved as you go.
Thanks for hanging out at the garage today. Which one of these snakes would you let out of the cage? Let me know in the comments. We've got more classic finds coming your way next week, so make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to VM Garage so you don't miss the next hunt. Catch you on the open road.